Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the image quality and placing files where you can reach them quickly. Open the folder with the wallpaper and inspect resolution. High resolution prevents pixelation. Once done, right-click an image to view properties and confirm format compatibility. If the image is too small, Scale Up will blur it, so choose appropriately. Make sure you know whether you want a single image, slideshow, or different images for multiple displays before moving to system settings. Now open your system's personalization or display settings and focus on background options. Select Picture for a single image, Slideshow for multiple files, or Solid if you need a plain color. Click Browse to pick the folder or image you prepared and select your preferred file. Next, adjust the Fit option. Fill preserves coverage, Fit avoids cropping, Center leaves borders. If you have multiple monitors, assign images per display. This ensures correct placement and scaling across screens. Finish by applying and viewing the wallpaper on each monitor to confirm correct appearance. If it looks wrong, restart the Explorer process or sign out and back in to refresh the desktop. If the wallpaper reverts after reboot, make sure Cloud Sync or user profile settings aren't overriding it, and check file permissions. As a last resort, disable third-party desktop managers or consider a registry fix. Only perform advanced fixes if comfortable, and backup settings first to avoid unintended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.